I would probably say my son is the only high school vegan athlete here in the city possible.
Right.
Damn.
He plays football for Shadow Ridge.
Okay.
They call him Juice.
What position?
He's a starting receiver, the starting corner, punt returner, and kick returner.
Oh, so he don't never leave the field.
Never.
I've been
He,
there.
he just asked. He just asked them, can they take him off a special team? They want him on gunner and.
And
For sure.
the other secrets that you can only get if you come holler at Joe.
That's
Joe
right.
Johnson.
Joe
not
Johnson.
Joel.